Hi, it's Jen with another process video for digital scrapbooking layout that I did for CSI. And here are the colors that I'm using in this layout, and here's the inspiration picture. Now, to start with my layout, I always start with a blank layout, and we'll get my photos and place them on there. Okay, these are the photos I'm going to use, and I've already put mats under them. If you need to know how to do that, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, so here's my photos. Now I thought let's pick a background paper. I tried a pink first, and the photos kind of blended in, especially that pink there. It just didn't make the pictures pop. So I decided to try another one. We'll try a green. Well, nah, it's still not quite, because this beige kind of blends into that light green. So then, let's see, I'll try a brown. Oh, I like that. That kind of makes it pop a little more. So I stuck with the brown as the background, added some more paper. Let's see here. We'll add a striped paper that's just a little smaller than the background paper, because I really wanted to bring out these photos. Then I went and found a colorful polka dot paper, because I thought I'm going to try and layer it up a bit. So I added this pretty colorful dot paper. Now it needs something maybe behind the photos. So I found this pretty doily. Oh, that looks good. Now, maybe something down here, because the photos are kind of floating there. It kind of needs a base. So I found a brown polka dot paper. Oh, that's looking good. That's kind of giving those photos a base. This one's still kind of floating, but we'll figure that out as we go. Okay, so then I thought, well, maybe we can layer this up a bit under the photos. I found some torn paper. Okay, that's kind of building it up there. And let's see. But that photo is above, and I didn't really want to move it down, because then that leaves a blank spot up here. And I just need something to fill in under this photo. So I found let's see, I was looking for something like a frame, like a Polaroid frame, and I found this one. That looks good. That's kind of bringing it down to where these are. And then I thought I'd add in maybe something down here still. A little bit of lace underneath. Then that kind of connects the Polaroid photo to the papers down here. Then I kind of thought of my title, because I don't want to put too much more on here, because I want to fit the title first. So I thought of a title and decided to call it Mr. Nifty. And where's the other ones that I did? And then, yeah, Mr. Nifty is 50. Now the 50, I wanted to really make it pop. So I added it in a different font, and I added some glitter texture onto it. I think that looks great. Okay, now let's see, on the photo, I need a date, so we put a little label there and put the date in. Now, now we kind of need, okay, kind of need something up here, because down here is where I'm going to put the journaling in the bottom left. So up here I need something to bring you onto the page. So let's see if we can figure that out. Okay, I wanted to kind of incorporate, I wanted to incorporate Rodney's Oyster House logo. So I decided that this would be the perfect place to put it. But then it kind of blends into the background here, so I need something behind it. I need to layer it up. So I decided to put, let's see, I put some pink washi behind it, and it needs something else. So I thought, well, down here I've got some lace, so maybe I can add some lace up there. Oh, that looks good. Okay, so we've got some nice lace up at the top. And then, okay, then we need something on the photo frame here, because it's looking a little bare. So we need something. I found this cute little, oh my god, little sticker, because he's always pulling faces. There's never any serious faces with my husband. Okay, so that looks good. Need something else though. And maybe, because there's some space in the right bottom corner here, maybe there's something we can put there. And I found these cute stitched hearts. That looks good. That's kind of filling in that emptiness. Now, still need something here. Maybe something else. Oh, it's kind of feeling bare here too. We kind of want to gradually get them down this way through the photos. So I found these flags. I found a brown one and a green one there. And then I came across these really cute puffy hearts. So I put one there to add some more pink, since there's pink up here in the corner. Want to carry the pink through. And there's some pink there, but maybe something pink here. So I really like the heart, so I put another heart down here, just a little smaller. Okay, I'm really liking this. But now I think I'm going to do the journaling next, so I know where I can add anything else. So let's do that journaling. And I put in a block, a white block. I added my journaling, but then it looks really bright on the page, and you almost want to go down to that bottom corner first. So I thought I'd break it up with some journaling paper behind it. So there we go. It's not quite as bright now. Okay, so then I'm almost done, but okay, there's some green here, need something green up here. And I found some stitching, just need a little bit of stitching, because I didn't want too much up there. You don't want to overpower your page. But then we've got brown here, maybe I could add just a little bit more stitching in brown, because we need to carry through that brown. So let's see if we can find that in brown. Perfect. That just fills in that little bit of a bare spot, because I didn't want to put another cluster of something, because that would just throw the balance off, because you got something up in the upper corner of the photo and the bottom corner. We just wanted something to stretch across in that blank space. So this is my finished layout. Okay, so we'll go back to our inspiration board here. Now, I included all the colors because I like to do that. And then we did hearts. And I'm saying balloons because I think these little stitched hearts up the side here kind of look like little balloons. And it was his birthday, so we're going to say we use balloons. Okay, and we go down, and I'll say we use string because, well, we use stitching. That's kind of like string. We'll say it's string. We drew something or have a hand-drawn look. Well, we can see here in our photo, this oh my god is kind of hand-drawn. And then for the testimony, I used document something special about the one you love. Well, here I'm documenting my husband's 50th birthday, and I took him to an oyster restaurant, and we learned how to shuck oysters, how to cook them, how to pick them and all that from this guy here. And then we went to a comedy show afterwards, and it was just fabulous. It's kind of hard to plan something for my husband's birthday because he doesn't like people. He doesn't really have any hobbies except traveling. So, you know, what do you pick for that? But he loves food. He loves to go to new restaurants and try it out. So, and of course he loves oysters. So that's what I did for his birthday, and it was just the best time ever, and I thought I need to document this. So here's my layout. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like what you see, subscribe to me on my YouTube channel, and also go to my blog at www.myscrapmenagerie.com so you can sign up with your email and get any notifications of new blog posts, new videos, anything that I'm going to be selling, and also any classes that I'm going to be doing online.